What's my sump guard? My sump guard fell off. Ah, right. You know what? Honestly, thank the Lord. There must be a God. To be motocrossing at 60 and doing tracks like this, there must be a God, because I've done so many dangerous things to escape motocross, but I always keep coming back. 500 paraglider flights, hospital, 600 or 700 scuba dives. Didn't get in hospital, but I did get the bends once. I got a mild bend and elbows up in your head. And countless times I've ended up with relationships with nurses when I was young and got my teeth now. But that just goes to show there must be something supernatural. I should not be doing this. On my 60th birthday, do little one-handers without the helmet. Yeah, what you say, grow up? Q, I'm here. And it's because there's someone supernatural upstairs. There's got to be. All my mates are dead. I should be dead. Why am I still here? I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, I love to ride the two strokes.